YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. This will work for both the Racer regular model as well as the Racer LS. Stay tuned as we dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to do some quick fix videos for you on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. As you guys can see, I already have a big chunk of the cleaner kind of disassembled in front of me. All four of the tires are out here in front. Today's video, we want to show you guys how to take out and how to properly replace the bearings on all four of the tires. The two small tires are always located in the rear of the cleaner, and your two larger tires here are always going to be located at the front end of the cleaner. So if you guys want to know how to take them off, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We have a full playlist on tearing apart this cleaner from the outside in. So once the wheels are removed, this is your next step on going ahead and getting access to these bearings. So most of them you can't, for the large wheels, when you actually take them off, you can actually push through on the front end to be able to push both bearings back through the backside of the wheel. You can't fully always pull them out the front. With the front wheels themselves, they actually have a barrier in the middle here that'll actually allow you to reach in, push the back one out, and then at the same time you can actually get your finger in there to be able to pull the front one out as well. So looking at these bearings, they're very, very similar to a lot of the bearings that are used on all of Pentair's pressure side pool cleaners. So they are kind of universal. The one key thing that you're looking for on these is the actual edge that has a little lip here with little slices on the bearings. Those are the direction of facing in. So as you guys are going to replace the bearings on your wheel, you always want to make sure that those little notches are actually facing inside. So for the outside part of the wheel, you're going to go ahead and push it in to make sure, like I said, you can't really push it through because it does have a lip internally there to stop. Bear with me, this one's broke. There you go. So go ahead and push that in. As you guys can see here, it's not going to come any farther through the back as it actually has little teeth and ridges inside the wheel that'll actually stop it. So then you're going to take your other one from the back side of the wheel and meet those teeth into the middle. So once you do that, you just kind of want to be able to push from the front as well as the back and just get them tight so that they actually sit there together and they're flush. And then you can always go ahead and stick a finger in and give it a twirl to make sure that it actually is sitting in there well enough to rotate. So that's the front tires. Now for the rear tires, unlike the fronts, you cannot access them from where the screw hole is. So in order to be able to get access, you do need to flip the tire over. And with doing that, you can go ahead and kind of stick your index finger in there and just wiggle it out to slide it towards you, which you'll end up getting one of the bearings out. And as you guys can see here, there's actually still another bearing located inside. So this one's a little bit more tricky to get out. If you guys got some good finger strength, you guys just are gonna go in there and kind of wiggle it around to be able to slide it forward. The good thing is that it all has a plastic outside, so it should be able to slide right out of the wheel easier. So to install your new one for this, since you can't actually access it from the outside, you're gonna make sure that your teeth are also facing up. Make sure that when you're trying to insert it, that you're getting it as level as possible because you don't want these things to go in there crooked. So you guys can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and push this all the way in. Grab the other one, make sure your notched side part of the actual bearings are going to meet. Go ahead, push it in. And then again, give it a spin, make sure it works. Everything's going good here, so we're good to go. So from there, you're just gonna go ahead, reattach the wheels to the cleaner and get this thing back in the water and start cleaning your pool. Again, today we went over how to repair or remove the bearings on all four tires for the Pentair Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button and be sure to subscribe because we've got a lot more videos coming your way. Kyle with ePoolSupply, we'll see you next time.